Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Roblox crashing and freezing problem. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type device manager, click on open it. Expand the camera section and right click on the camera device under here and select disable it. Select yes and disable it. After disabling the camera, you just need to close stuff here. Now you can launch the Roblox and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type GeForce Experience, click on open it. If you not have GeForce Experience, then check my video description for the download link. For AMD users, open the AMD write-on software. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date guys. After that, just to close stuff here. Now you just need to go to search menu and type Windows Update. Comes up Windows Update setting, click on open it. Select check for updates, and if you have any pending update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date guys. After getting you are up to date, just to close stuff here, now you can launch the Roblox and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 3 guys. Method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type run, click on open it. In run window, you just need to type percentage temp percentage again, click on OK to open up. In here, search Roblox folder, just right click on it and select delete it. After deleting this folder, just close stuff here and launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 4 guys. Method 4, you just need to go to search menu and type Roblox. Right click on the Roblox player and select open file location. Right click on the Roblox player again and select open file location. Right click on the Roblox player.exe file and select properties. Select compatibility tab and checkmark run this program as an administrator and select apply and OK for save changes. And now you can launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.